Sa mundo ng hi-fi, every detail mahalaga. Every note, every beat, every nuance. Kaya ngayong 2025, isang pangalan lang ang tumatak bilang hari ng affordable hi-fi performance. May I present to you guys the Warsdale Diamond 12.1. So yun guys, ito yung manual niya. Ay grabe yung packaging nito. Sobrang safe siya dahil. Ibiyaran nyo ng malayo. Safe na safe. Maganda ng box din eh. Ha? Ah! Speaker! Wow! Ito ah. Compared mo sa price niya guys. At isa pa sa copy dito guys. Guys, ang Warsdale Diamond 12.1 is crowned as the best budget hi-fi speaker of 2025 and celebrated as the one of the most reviewed budget speaker worldwide. Compact in form pero engineered with power, precision, and timeless Warsdale craftsmanship. Dahil sa base reflex enclosure and 88 dB sensitivity niya, sobrang effortless niya i-connect sa amplifiers from 20 up to 100 watts. Ang Diamond 12.1, more than just a bookshelf speaker. It is designed for every scenario. Bawa, gusto mo lang ng 2-channel hi-fi system for music listening. Pwede mo rin siya i-immerse for home theater. And versatile din siya for gaming and everyday use. So this is why the world has taken notice. Thousands of reviews, countless listeners, a global community of music lovers and audiophiles all choosing the same legend. So yun guys, try naman natin ito sa Amazon. Guys, kung gusto niyo bumili guys, check nyo lang yung page natin.